In this tutorial, you'll learn how to insert a file or folder link while composing an email in Outlook. To start, click the New Mail button to create a new message. Then, select the To field and enter the recipient's email address to specify who will receive your message. Next, click in the Subject field and type a brief description so your recipient knows what the email is about. Once you've finished writing the description here, then click Attach File. After that, you'll see the link option below. Click on the link option. Once the link window opens, you'll see two fields, Display As and Website URL, in the display. As field, type the text you want to display for the link. Then, in the Website URL field, enter the website link you want to add. Finally, once you've entered the link, click the OK button. As you can see, the link have now been added successfully. You've now learned how to link a file or folder in Outlook. Thanks for joining me.